Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in the today's class, we will be going to discuss about Vedic Maths multiplication trick. Here we will be going to see apart from calculating multiplication with normal method, here I will be going to show the trick that will be very useful. The initial times I also used to calculate with normal method, but it was so difficult to calculate. That's why today's class I will be going to teach you how to calculate in the faster method. Just we will be having different types over here. You need to go through overall the video, then you will get to know how to multiply the numbers. Here let's take this example 21 cross 13. How can we calculate this faster? Let's see this one and we will solve the questions one by one. Okay, first step what we need to do means multiply vertically on the right side. Like 21 cross 13 we have, means here they have shown here 1 3. This we need to consider 1 cross 3. What we have 1 cross 3? 1 cross 3 if you do 3 we will get. This you need to put here. This you will put here, that is 3 towards the right end. Next what you need to do, 3 cross 2 or 2 cross 3. 3 cross 2, that is 6, and 1 cross 1, that is 1 cross 1 is 1. Just add these two, 6 plus 1, that is 7. That 7 they have kept here in the middle. Last step what we need to do, 2 cross 1 we need to do, that is top to bottom approach. That is 2 cross 1 if you do that, towards the left side we have kept over here, that is 273 is the answer. Like this how we will calculate the multiplication with this trick. Let's solve this question quickly. Same approach, using same approach we will calculate this. Okay, first you need to multiply these two, that is 2 into 1. 2 into 1, what we will get? 2. In the middle what you need to do, first you need to multiply these two, that is 3 cross 1. 3 cross 1, what we will get? 3. Plus again this you need to multiply 2 cross 2. 2 cross 2, what will get? 2 cross 2, 4. This 3 and 4 we got, right? If you add this 4 plus 3, what will get? 7, right? This 7 will keep in the middle. Last step what we need to do, this and this you need to multiply, that is 3 to the 6. That we will keep in the left side. So this is the answer, 672. Let's take like this example, 1 cross 2. What will get? 2, right? Next what we need to do, 4 cross 2, that is 4 cross 2 is 8. Next 1 cross 1. 1 cross 1, that is 1. 8 plus 1, 9. So this 9 you will keep in the middle. Next last step is 4 cross 1, that is 4. See, this you can calculate much more faster, like 41 cross 12. Don't write these and all things. If you once you practice many more problems means you can directly solve like me. Like how I will solve means 2 cross 1 2, 4 cross 2 8, and 1 cross 1 1, 8 plus 1 9. I will calculate in mind. Then last step will be 4 cross 1 4, that is 492. Like this I will calculate speed. Let's solve this question. 3 cross 1, that is 3. Next we need to multiply these two, that is 2 cross 1, that is 2, and next 3 cross 3, that is 9. 9 plus 2, 11. Here we need to be very careful. Here we got 2-digit number. Earlier we got single digit here, right? But here we got 2-digit number. Be careful. Keep as it is. If we have 2-digit number, what we need to do means this one alone we need to keep here. Okay. Next step, continue. That is 2 cross 3, that is 6, right? 6 we have, and this one we need to, we have this carry 1, right? That we need to add, that is 6 plus 1 7. So the answer is 713. This is a type 2 problem. Here we got 2-digit number. With that you can calculate like this. Let's solve this question. First step, 4 to the 8. Next what we need to do, 1 cross 2 is 2. Next we have 4 to the 8. 4 cross 2, that will be 8. Here also we have 2 digit. 8 plus 2, that is 10. What I have told, this 0 you need to keep here because this is a 2 digit number. And 1 we have carry. Remember this, 1 we have carry. Last step, what is there? 1 cross 2, that is 1 cross 2 is 2. That 2 you need to add here. 2 plus 1, 3. This 3 you need to keep here. In this question, I will not show how to multiply. Directly I will add, okay? Let's look at this question. 4 to the 8, right? That will keep here. Next 3 to the 6. That I will not don't write here. 3 into 2 equal to 6. Like this I will don't write. Directly I will take the 6 as a value. That is 3 to the 6 plus 4 1 ja 4. Like this I will take 6 plus 4 10. Here also we got 2 digit. This 0 you need to keep here. Next last step is 3 1 ja 3. That 3 you need to add with this carry. What we got? 4. So the answer is 408. Let's see the next question. 1 cross 3, that is 3. 5 3 ja 15 plus 1 2 ja 2. 15 plus 2 will be 17. So this 7 we will take here. Next last step, 5 2 ja 10. 10 we have plus this 1 carry. If you add, what will get? 11, right? So the answer is 1173. Let's solve 3 more questions and we'll wind up. 2 cross 1, that is 2. Next 4 1 ja 4 plus 3 2 ja 2 3 ja 6. 6 plus 4 10. This 0 will keep here. 1 we have carry. Last step, 4 cross 3, that is 12. 1 plus 12 will be 13, right? So 1302 is the answer. 2 cross 4, that is 8. Next these 2, 6 4 ja 24 plus 2 1 ja 2. 24 plus 2, 24 plus 2 will be 26. This 6 will keep here and 2 is the carry. Last step, 6 cross 1, that is 6 1 ja 6. That 6 will add here. 6 plus 2, 8, right? This 8 will keep here. So the answer is 868. This is how this question is somewhat different because initial step only will get 2 digit value. Initial step will get 2 digit, that is 5 to the 10. This 0 we will keep here. 1 we have carry. Then 2 to the 4 plus 5 3 the 15. If you add all these things, what will get? 15 plus 1 16, 16 plus 4 20. 20 we have. This 0 again we need to keep here. This 2 carry we have. Then 2 cross 3, 2 3 is 6. This 6 we need to add here. 8 we got as answer. 800 is the answer. Last we'll look at this question. 3 cross 1, 3. 4 cross 1, 4. And 3 cross 2, 6. This 6 plus 4 will be 10. This 0 will keep here. 1 we have carry. And last step, 4 to the 8. That is 8 plus 1, 9. This 9 will keep here. So the answer is 903. Like this how we can calculate the multiplication. That's it guys. Thanks for watching my video.